What is going on, guys? That's not what a control arm is supposed to do. So join me today installing this new one. This is actually not the issue that he has the car with me for. It's actually an overheating issue, which has come out to be, unfortunately, the head gasket. But his control arms were no bueno. So we're gonna go ahead and throw those in. There we go. Needed to come out my way a little bit. That one's in. We can start putting this ball joint nut back on. And now we just gotta widen this bolt up. That goes up. Ooh. Goes upwards. This is just the last bolt. Well, was gonna be the last bolt. Get it nice and snug. Alright, so now that we got that taken care of, I used a 14 and a hand ratchet just because getting a electric tool back here is a little difficult. But you want to snug this down nice and tight. These are in pretty decent condition. They don't look too old. Alright, that's tight as can be. This lower ball joint. Now it does have a cotter pin, which we are reusing because it's one of those. So make sure. Now, line the hole up, snug that clip in. All the rest of the bolts are clipped on. So yeah, this side is now done. All right, so now we're gonna do the driver's side. I'm using my trusty handy chrome impact socket. All right, so first things first, we're gonna loosen up sway bar link. I have a good old thin wrench, so pop that 14 in there, hold the back of that sway bar link, and she won't turn anymore. So a lot of time vice grips or channel locks or something are used, and a lot of times that can be a lot faster than using one of these thin wrenches. But on certain occasions, yes, it might be faster, but you can also damage stuff a lot easier. Cool. Alright. Same with that one. Whew. Let's see how rusty that thing is. We're gonna clean that up. Luckily, these Civics are super simple to work on. And just like that. So as you can see, that's supposed to be in there, just like the other side. Ooh, came right up. better. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in.